guys. Today is the day of the day of the day that is our roof is completely installed, done, perfect. Let's go outside. I'm in the basement. I'm going up. Hi. This is real. This is it. This is legit, man. Woohoo! Roof is looking nice. We should have done this years ago. Yeah. And looking nice. Like small thing in there. The extension. Oh, awesome. Just need a caulking done. Awesome, Lord. So awesome. To get a better result of the top of metal view, so I'm gonna climb in the roof. I'm a monkey! I'm a monkey! Okay. This is the back side of the house. The extension, back porch. We got a better view. The view of the top. So right there, the whole view in the back side of the house, and the other half view of the back porch. And when we walk over on the other side, oh, this is edge. Woo! So, yeah, we can get a better view if we go to the front. So we're right here. They did like roughly 3 days, including the really good caulking and covering that up. I really loved it. That one there I was talking about right there, because they were having a problem leaking in that side, and it's starting over in that side. Basically it's like the attic. So pretty much that's it. Not too shabby. Maybe do some kind of paint in the window or repaint in the wall. We'll see. But overall, you know, it's not that bad. It's pretty decent. God, I guess. Wow! What a beautiful blue, sky blue, baby blue. Sure. Hey, thank
Jesus.